Today's video is being brought to you by NeverDenyMe.com. Make sure you take a look at the website for all your graphic needs, anything from digital to physical.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nate Matthews back again with another video, the first video, as a matter of fact, of the year 2020. Congratulations, guys, you made it. Not everybody made it this year, man, so be blessed, you and your families, man. So first things first, man, I got my website and stuff going like that in the background. I'm actually going to show you guys from my phone. I've actually been updating it. Did a couple updates. Make sure you guys take a look at it as well. You ain't gonna be able to see it too much on the phone, but NeverDenyMe.com, we updated the website, put some slideshows on there, some clickable things. You guys could, find tutorials a lot faster. We have some order forms, buttons and stuff like that, different things. I don't know if I can show y'all that one I drew, but it's gonna change now. There it is. All right. But yeah, posters and prints and stuff like that we have made. I've actually been working on a lot of projects, even on the first day of the year right now, man. A lot of projects coming through, so I'm knocking out these orders and stuff as fast as I can, getting these projects to you guys, whether it be patches or just digitizing services. So during the time that I haven't been uploading, I've actually been recording and editing videos, so I'm gonna slowly start uploading that as the days go by. One of the things you guys have already seen right here, double-sided stuffed patch / keychain. I can feel it already, guys. This is going to be a great year. Last year just was an amazing year. The channel took off, the orders took off, everything like that is coming together. I'm just putting my plan together to be even better this year. So I definitely hope you guys are doing the same and putting your plan together, going hard at what you want to do every single day to make it come true. I do have a lot of projects that I've been working on that I'm actually going to start uploading shortly. I just wanted to hit you guys with this video first to let you guys know, hey, your boy's still here. Thank you again to everybody who's just believing in me, trusting in my work to actually work with me, telling a friend to tell a friend to shop with me. Really appreciate it. Going to be doing these more often right here, right? A little pendant right there. So we got that going. Something I just sat on right here. We got more keychains and stuff like that. I think I made a video on this one. I'm not too sure. But we got another keychain, pendant. All that is on the way. So even though my year is starting off like this, guys, it's still going to be a great year. You see this? This is the back of my computer chair that snapped. I'm sitting on it, man. I'm over here taking my morning stretch. I'm just up. Fell out the chair, busted my head on the wall. But it's all good, because I'm still living. I'm still living. I'm still okay. And it's going to be a great year. This ain't going to stop me, baby. NeverDenyMe.com. This little minor hiccup right here ain't going to stop me. Now, I ain't got no back support no more. But it's all good. It's all good. We're going to make a way. We're going to make a way. So there you have it, guys. Didn't want to make this video too long, but definitely take a look at the website. I've been working hard on it, changing the layout and everything like that. A lot of your questions have been answered already on the website. You guys can contact me. You guys can leave reviews, whether it be a typing something or leaving me like a voice memo. I'm going to be sharing your guys' feedback with other people on the website. If you guys have any tips for me, drop them in the comments below. For the first few people that order patches off my website, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, man. I got a whole bunch of patches to give away to you guys. Now, these are some, I'm going to just drop them out right here. Now, I got a whole bunch of Supreme patches and stuff like that, right? We're just going to be dropping them, right? Big old patches, iron-on. And I'm going to be giving a whole bunch of these away for everybody that places orders on my website. Now, these are not on my website because, I didn't make these ones, but I got these Supreme patches for those of you guys who want them, all different colors. I'm just going to be doing it at random. Shop with me on the website, leave me reviews, stuff like that, and you're going to get some stuff like that. So I'll catch you guys in the next video, and I will see you soon, and Happy New Year.